How to fix overlapping elements on Wix Studio. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to fix the overlapping of elements into your Wix Studio website. So we're going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see you are going to be on the admin dashboard. Now once we have been here, what we're going to do next is going to be very simple. We're going to click on edit site. Once we have clicked on edit site, it is going to let you see the website editor. Now the website editor is going to be having all of the items or the component of it, such as adding elements from the left side of the screen, managing your layers from here, seeing whatever. Now let's say that we're going to choose one of the pages, or the element that we're going to have here is going to be from here or from this page. We can switch to the tablet mode and see if we have something not going well within the ratio that we have chosen. So it could happen from time to time to have something maybe not going well with the as you can see here, specific visions or something like that. Now, what can we do about that is going to be much easy. So we can have, for example, if I'm going to head over the mobile version, as you can see, this text on path is not going to be having its place. Standard is going to cover this text. So what can we do for that? As you can see, this is going to be a stack, and this is going to be not a stack. So we can go ahead and both select the element that will be incoherent here, or it will not move accordingly to the things. Press Control, and we're going to select the other one, or Shift, I think. Yes, it is going to be Shift. Press Shift, add it to the stack. When you're going to have the mobile version, it is going to be here. So it is not going to be as the usual. It is not going to have the effect of blurring or putting obstructions on the text. So basically you can go ahead and head over here or any of the elements that you're going to find right there into a section. You can see that the elements are going to be united into a stack. So for example, as you can see, we have a stack of this button and also this one. We can go ahead and select the stack and unstack it. As you can see, the text is here and the button is here. When you click on mobile, you're going to see that it is not going to be set up like that. So we need to fix it to avoid these type of overlapping. So we are going to head over desktop, select the elements that causes these overlapping. So I'm going to select the text here and also the button, and we're going to stack them. You're going to see the result real quick. Please be here. So this is the stack. I can go ahead and have the button unstacked and put it to the middle, and we're going to stack them together so it is going to have this specific area. So you can apply this also from the mobile version. Of course, you need only to regulate it just like that, and stack anyway. We're going to place it here. We're going to stack it back, and boom, right there. I'm going to be back also here. It is going to be something that we need to move. Also, for the overlapping, maybe it will happen, as you can see. So we can see the responsive behavior. We can have the relative width, and we can set up the stack as it is. I'm going to try to have a good position for the button. Maybe like that. And we're going to see the behavior. So this tag is going to have a relative width, as you can see. Normally it is going to have the thing set up all right. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.